Day for football, I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray and I'm joined here on the gantry for commentary by Stuart Robson. And without doubt a match with the potential to bring genuine excitement. It's Manchester United versus Arsenal.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Throw into Arsenal coming up. Steven Eustachio has a go. Super tackle and they've won possession. Bremer. Herrera. Saka. Steven Eustachio. Return to Martinez. And that's fantastic goalkeeping to get across and deal with the danger. Well, he hit it with authority. Close. Aurélien Tchouameni. A foul but no whistle. Instead advantage with Arsenal. Martinez. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Now shot happy here. And there the attack ends for now. Gundogan. Pelé. Pelé. Messi. And a strong tackle. Arsenal have it back. Martinez. Yangel Herrera. Bukayo Saka. The keeper diving magnificently to make sure he got there. And cleared away. Well, he gave it quite the blast, but nowhere close to the goal. Zule. Gabi. Given away by Manchester United. Dani Olmo. Aurélien Tchouameni. The first half here comes to an end. Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. And Arsenal now find themselves in potentially a dangerous position. Martin Ødegaard. Pelé. Perfect tackle. Moving forward effectively. Advantage, Arsenal. Well, they keep the ball moving. Well, they're moving the ball neatly enough. Just looking for that decisive pass. Firing it in. And Arsenal have won the corner as they try to take the lead. They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Pelé. And snuffing out the danger. 20 minutes to go. Dani Olmo. Martinez. Good-looking pass. From one side of the pitch to the other. And a timely intervention. Unable to get himself back on side here.
Well, he was always going to be offside. That was the wrong option.
Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. Gundogan. Martin Ødegaard. On the attack. Is there to be late drama? Well, not cleared away completely. Well, it looked so threatening, but the danger averted. Parejo. Martinez. From a long way out. And it wasn't taxing for the keeper. If you're wondering about stoppage time, 1 minute to be added on. And with that, the referee brings this match to an end. Both sides have their moments over the course of the 90 minutes, but it finishes in a stalemate. Stuart?